Welcome to this video on finding the area of a rhombus and a kite. We will explore how to calculate these areas using their diagonals. First, what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a geometric shape with 4 equal sides, opposite angles that are equal, and diagonals that cross inside the shape. To find the area of a rhombus, we use the formula area equals diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2, all divided by 2. We can write this as A equals D1 times D2 over 2. Let's look at an example. Here is a rhombus with a horizontal diagonal of 6 meters and a vertical diagonal of 8 meters. Let's find its area. Using our formula, we identify that diagonal 1 is 6 meters and diagonal 2 is 8 meters. Now, we substitute these values into the formula. The area equals 6 times 8 divided by 2, which gives us 48 divided by 2.
Calculating the final result, the area of this rhombus is 24 square meters. Here is a second example. We have a rhombus with a horizontal diagonal of 10 centimeters and a vertical diagonal of 14 centimeters. Again, we note our values. Diagonal 1 is 10 centimeters and diagonal 2 is 14 centimeters. Substituting these into our formula, the area equals 10 times 14 divided by 2, which is 140 divided by 2. After dividing, we find the area of this rhombus is 70 square centimeters. Now, what is a kite? A kite is a quadrilateral with 4 sides, featuring 2 pairs of equal sides and diagonals that intersect inside. Interestingly, the formula for the area of a kite is the same as for a rhombus. Area equals diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2 divided by 2. Let's find the area of this kite, which has a horizontal diagonal of 8 centimeters and a vertical diagonal of 12 centimeters. Using our formula, we have diagonal 1 equal to 12 centimeters and diagonal 2 equal to 8 centimeters. Applying these to the area formula will give us the final result. Substituting these values, we multiply 12 by 8, which is 96, then divide that by 2. Doing the division, we find that the area of this kite is 48 square centimeters. Let's move to a second example. Here is another kite, this time with a vertical diagonal of 10 centimeters and a horizontal diagonal of 18 centimeters. Identifying our values, diagonal 1 is 18 centimeters and diagonal 2 is 10 centimeters. We substitute these into the formula. Area equals 18 times 10 divided by 2. That gives us 180 divided by 2. Finally, dividing 180 by 2 gives us an area of 90 square centimeters for this kite. Now it's time to test yourself. Use the formula we've practiced today to find the area of the shapes shown here.